Hello everyone, my name is Intan Lestari for absent number 18. The definition of general journal. A general journal is a medium for systematical record of a company financial transactions for a certain period. To make a general journal, first we must understand the normal balance is its account. Okay, thank you.
The purpose of making a general journal is to record all the company financial transaction without any spartian process. This means that all company transaction from purpose to revenues are recorded and grouping by accounting in a general journal.
1. The present facts that have been reflected. 2. Journal books, both general journal and special journal. 3. Stationery, pen and ruler. 4. Calculative toolbox, manual and electronic calculator. 5. Report from. 6. Steps to make a general journal.
Then here I will explain the steps. First, understand the basic accounting equation formula, namely assets equal debit plus equity, which was later expanded to assets equal debit plus equity plus in parentheses income and expense. Second, collect and identify proof of transactions such as invoices, notes, invoices, or even receipts. Then process with transactions assistance. Remember, only transactions that result in a change in financial positions can be recorded in a journal. In one transactions that are at least two accounts that are definitely affected. Record the transactions that have been identified in the journal. The recorded system will use a double entry system in which recorded transactions will have an impact on two financial positions, debit and credit, in the same amount.